crafty friends, I'm excited because we got another order of Hunky Dory, and in this one we got our Forever Florals hydrangea kits. So the luxury topper collection comes with 4 different topper sets, and then you get 2 of each. So let's look at them. The first one is Thinking of You. So it has the sentiments like thinking of you, birthday wishes, especially for you.
I love these because look at those really classic vintage colors and themes. I think these are beautiful. They're going to be absolutely stunning made up. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous.
They look like they have a matte finish, is that correct?
Yeah, fantastic. You know, I'm surprised that they chose to use gold foiling with this, with these colors. I would have thought that silver would be a natural choice. The gold is really striking. I'm not complaining about it. It's just an interesting choice.
Next is Thanks a Bunch.
There's some of those big, pretty images. Think shaker cards. When you think of those multi-part frames, that'd be beautiful with shaker elements in it. Beautiful. We're going to get lots of cards, guys. Look at that double border. We can get lots of cards cutting that in 4 pieces and doing 4 A6 cards. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that with the butterfly sitting on it. Teddy's getting his 2 cents worth in here. Give me your ball, Ted. He has a squeaky ball. After the video, I'll throw it.
Next we have One and Only.
Oh, that's pretty too.
Flowers touch the heart where worlds cannot reach.
Words cannot
Words. It's hard to read upside down, guys. I apologize. And from a distance.
Ooh, see how they faded that background? That's gorgeous. There's that vintage print. Look at that tan with the pink. Yummy. Beautiful.
Our last one is called A Friend Like You. Live Life in Full Bloom. I like that one.
There's so many beautiful big toppers in these. Gorgeous. Uh-oh, I love that. Again, we can use every inch of that piece of cardstock. That's gorgeous.
I like that one.
Pretty, pretty, pretty. Lavenders, pinks, blues. You can't go wrong with this set. It's gorgeous.
They had a bunch of fun supporting stuff too. We did get a square little book.
Look at the size, the thickness of that book.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
It has 150 pages with 25 different designs.
Wow.
Yeah.
We can go card crazy with this, guys.
We have our inserts.
Pretty. Now the white background actually looks kind of pretty with these pinks and blues.
It does make them pop a little bit better with how kind of light the coloring is with them.
Unfortunately, it doesn't look like they have patterns all over, so we'll probably get 1 card per insert, but nonetheless, it's beautiful. Oh, these are pretty and intriguing.
Yeah, and you get 8 pieces of the parchment, so you get 2 of each, but it's a nice variety.
Blue and tan and 2 kind of blue backgrounds. Now, bear in mind when you're looking at this side, it looks kind of gray here, but it's going to look a lot. I know I told you didn't have to open it. Let's open that and pull that sheet out so people can see how it lightens that parchment against the light background. Sorry. She just said, do you want me to take these out? And I said, oh, I don't think you have to. We have a lot to show. But look how that lightens that up, guys.
Oh, I like this one. I have to go that, okay.
So see how it really pops? And this isn't even against white. This is against our gray table. So it's going to lighten it even more when we're putting them against a white background. There's just something about that vellum and the way that, because parchment in this case, it's vellum, guys. Parchment in this case what was I going to say? I don't know what I was going to say. It really does have a way of, when you put lighter things behind it, it creates just a really neat backdrop. And one fun thing you can do with this is if you put bold words behind this, you could actually read through it.
That's a good idea. One of the things I was actually the most excited about is they came out with a die stamp combo to
That's
make
fun.
the hydrangea flowers. So,
Beautiful.
so I was excited to find a new brand. It's called a Paper Boutique, and it is another men's variety of a paper kit. So I wanted to look through it with you guys. It comes with an 8x8 paper pad that has 36 sheets and 6 different designs.
That's got some great colors, hasn't it? It's got purple.
It's more of a blue, but sure.
And that's purple.
Wait, does it go?
Purple can be a
Sure,
guy
okay.
color. That's awesome. Neat backgrounds for
I'm
guys'
having
cards.
pumpkin. Okay, so there's one. I thought it was going to be like Hunky Dory where they group them together, but it's not. That's fun.
Ooh, look at the wolf head. Now, who would have thought to put shoes and wolf heads together? These guys obviously did.
Apparently.
That's interesting. Busy, but I bet it's pretty when you get it on there. Shoes, cologne.
Can you see the top border too?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay.
Cut it off.
So those are the paper pads that come with the kit.
Oh, okay, so that was one each, and they have...
There's 6 designs,
Okay,
but
so
you get
it must be
36
6 each.
sheets.
Okay.
They just went one at
Okay,
a
I
time,
see.
which really confused me. But
Okay.
so we have 8 die cut topper sheets.
They are die cut. Yeah, they sure are.
They are. So you get 8 sheets, but it's 4 designs. Oh, 8 sheets of 4 designs.
Yeah, 4 per sheet.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nope, they're all the same. All the
Okay.
sheets.
that'd be great with those backgrounds though. And then you got this next one.
They are. And then, oh,
So you must get 4 of each. Is that right?
I don't know.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yep.
That's what it
4
is.
of each.
There's 2
Okay.
different patterns, so you get
2
4
patterns.
each of 2 patterns.
Yes.
Love that happy birthday. Still classic after all these years. I love that. It's time for a celebration just for you. Love and special wishes on your birthday. Love those. Those are great.
And I like that you get both the square and the circle.
Yeah, that's neat.
Okay.
Fun brand.
So, then we have some supportive stuff to go with them. We have a 6x6 book that has the same papers as the 8x8. They're just on a smaller scale.
Now this 8x8 was part of the kit though, right?
Yes,
And
so
these are just by themselves.
Yep, it's just an additional.
It doesn't have any toppers in this book, does it?
No, it's
No.
just the 6x6
Just the
paper pad.
backgrounds. Okay.
And it's the same backgrounds, just on a smaller scale.
Okay.
And then we have inserts. It's 40 sheets with 10 different designs, and these are the
cool.
designs.
Well, I tell you, their inserts would be pretty useful actually as card designs too, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
I think you could almost use those as toppers.
And then they have a colored card collection, which comes with 24 sheets and 8 different colors.
That's nice because the colors they're using in this pack are a little, they're a little different. They're not really your average run-of-the-mill colors, so it's nice that you already have that coordinating cardstock available. Now this is new. We brought these in because you guys were asking for more masculine designs, so I've been looking for masculine that I thought was really cool. And I picked this as one, but we did not buy a real deep inventory of this because it was a new brand for us and we wanted you guys to tell us what you think. So if you like this, get it soon because there's not a lot of it.
For years, Debbie's been asking Hunky Dory to make us some shaker tape, and we just got another order of it in. It is 5 millimeters wide. You get 6 rolls. It's gonna be 3 millimeters deep and 2 meters long. So you get 12 meters in total. So this week's for Brittany's. Teddy says it's time for us to be done now. Debbie has actually already done a how-to video that you can click on the link in the newsletter to go watch them, and make sure you go to the Brits Bargain button to see how much they're gonna be. Have a great week.